Thank you.
I'm here from.
All right, this is case number 1143698. This is Westlake Services LLC versus Maurice, looks like Nix with NYX. The matter is before the court, set on for a trial date. Also, looks like there is a pending motion before the court. For the plaintiff, your appearance at this time.
Alexander Sarhan, P77252, on behalf of plaintiff.
All right, thank you, counsel, and good morning to you, sir.
Good
For
morning.
this matter, your appearance at this time, please. All right. So do I have someone for Maurice NYX? Ms. Rose, why are you on the Zoom? Is that a witness that you have?
Miss Rose is the witness for the plaintiff.
All right, thank you. All right, so have you spoken with the other side today or at any time in between the last hearing in this matter?
There was some communication with Maurice L. Nix. Maurice Nix, there has not been any communication. He did not serve us with an answer. Maurice L. Nix, on the other hand, we have had contact with, and there has been some discussions. The current status of the case regarding him towards us is an understanding that there is a balance owed based on the contract, and it's just a matter of a lack of funds and going forward attempting to pay that and get that taken care of, although a settlement is not able to be reached at this time.
Gotcha. All right, so kind of looking through the file to see if I see the proof of service documents, and I'm not coming across them right away. So update me in that regard. Has both of those individuals, as I'm looking at it, I didn't notice that there were codependents because it's not prominently set forth. But you indicate that both Maurice L. and Maurice Nix have been served. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
All right, so obviously the court has given the proper notice. I'm going to give it a few more minutes to see if the defendants are going to regarding some determination at that point.
Of course, Your Honor. Your Honor, would you be opposed to me signing back in? I'm having a bad connection. It's difficult for me to hear you.
Not a problem. I mean, is that? Let's see if that's on. Because I can hear you fine. Can you hear me okay?
It's sort of breaking up in and out. I can't understand your full sentences, and I don't want to misunderstand you as we proceed with hearings going forward.
Got you. Just as a matter of testing, I've been looking at the file to see whether or not there are proof of service documents. It looks like those documents are contained in the folders here. All right, will you able to hear me okay in that regard, sir?
Yes, this is better. This is fine. Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, very well. So we're waiting a few minutes, counsel, just to see if the other side is going to log in here. Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Sir.
thank you.
All right, the record should reflect regarding this matter, the subjects of 698, that this matter was set on for 10:30 a.m. It is a matter set on for trial, with a motion also pending before this court. This represents to a Maurice Nix and Maurice L. Nix, um, whose distinctive addresses relate to 16th Street in regard to Maurice Nix and Keystone Street in regard to Mr. Maurice L. Nix. It appears that neither of the defendants have appeared, uh, nor has anybody appeared on their behalf. And reflecting on the notices set forth in the court's file, there is ample reason to believe that defendants were notified of today's date. Counsel, you indicated that you spoke with one of the individuals, and there was some discussion about resolution. Can you tell me whether or not the issue of this date came up as a pending date during any of those discussions?
Regarding Maurice L. Nix and discussions regarding payments or settlements, there was some discussion, and the final, where it was left for us was, and this was as of August the 30th, was payments in the amount of payments of $209 over 24 months, which would have been a settlement amount of $5,016. He indicated that he wouldn't be able to afford that for various reasons for himself and the household. And we also presented an option of a consent judgment, and we never received an answer back regarding the consent judgment option.
My specific question was addressing whether or not.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you. Yeah, my specific question was addressing whether or not the individual said anything to you that would have led you to believe that he knew about today's court date, or did the court date come up at all?
At that time, no. We're not aware specifically, other than providing, sending it to them, confirmation. No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. I'm just looking at the notice that went out from the court. It sends a notice to Maurice Nix on Greenview. But I don't see where we send a separate notice out to the other NICs. As I mentioned, that did not jump out in the file, that there were two separate individuals. And the address on Greenville, that's different from the address that is on the motion cover sheet. So I'm concerned about whether or not the dates given. I see that Green address or the Greenview address was the address on the summons, and the Keystone address was the address on the summons for defendant number 2. And defendant number 2 would be Maurice L. Nix. I guess what I'm saying to you is that not any fault of your own, but it looks like on the court's end of it that we did not notify Mr. L. Nix regarding today's date.
Okay. Let me confirm, if I may, Your Honor, one moment.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm in agreement with you at this point.
Yeah. All right, counsel. So the address that we sent the notice to would have been in relationship to Mr. See the court notice. Just one moment, sir. Sorry. The court notice was directed to Greenview, and Greenview doesn't seem to be a good address anymore. It seems like there's an updated address on 16th Street.
On 16th Street, yes, this is where we sent our notice of hearing on the proof of service on September the 8th.
Yeah, but that notice, your notice was for a hearing on summary disposition, and you didn't have a court.
That's correct.
Yeah. All right, sir. So what I'm going to do is I've got a journey for maybe 3 weeks, and let me get new notices out to the other side.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll keep it as a motion hearing and trial date. I'm just going to set it like 3 weeks forward. Try to get it in as quickly as we can. Doesn't seem that there are any major contested issues in the case, so I think we can get it in quickly. Madam Clerk, what's
3 weeks?
the
26th.
just one moment? She's checking the date.
26th.
Yeah, the 26th of October at 10 o'clock a.m. October 26th, 10 o'clock a.m.
Okay.
Right, and what we're going to do is we're going to send out notices to both of those addresses with the notice regarding trial and regarding hearing on motion for summary disposition. And they'll all be set up for October 26th at 10 o'clock a.m.
Okay, great. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Sorry for the mix-up, but we definitely will get those notices out. So we'll get that taken care of.
No problem. Will do. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you for this. Good day to you. So, this notice. It's two different mixes, okay?
Okay.
Mix that address and mix
So send a notice.
The new notice goes back out to the attorney here,
Mhm.
and then those two annexes to identify openings.
Okay.
Just hang it.
To the new date, okay.